Alright, I'm starting the Jeep. No gauges. Only problem I'm having with it, the stereo got stolen. People had no respect. Went all the way back to my subs. I pulled the carpet up to get the wires for the subs. Other than that, I really don't have no problem with it. It runs just fine, shifts through all gears. Makes no weird noises through all the gears. It's shifting just fine. Engine's good and strong. No problem with that. All the speakers work on the interior. No problem. I have the connector for a new radio because I was going to put one in, but fortunately the radio was a dud. The dude short-circuited it. But everything else worked, even the cigarette lighter. The outlet, power outlet for the cell phones, all that works. It's not a major electrical problem. AC works. All that works. It blows good cold air. Heater works. No problem. But that's the only problem I'm having right there is no gauges. You've seen that I had the ABS light, so you still get lights down here, and there's no check engine light. You can't see the odometer. I'm not sure what that was at. It was at probably 240 something, 240,000 whenever I lost them, but the guy that sold me the Jeep put a new transmission in at 200,000. I'll pop the hood and let you see it running.